Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Okay guys, welcome back. And I want to address something first. YouTube and they freaking glitches are annoying, irritating, can't stand them because you do all that work, going to all these channels, leaving comments, crampy fingers, carpal tunnel, and all other stuff that go along if you got it, and for their glitches to remove everything. It is not fun, it's not funny, it's annoying, irritating. I just hate when it happens. The work is removed, and especially if you're not getting paid for this. Lots of people get paid on here. Some of y'all did not know. Once you get to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you start earning. You get monetized, you start earning money. But if you're not, and you do a lot of work, and it glitch removes everything, you're devastated. It's terrible. Then your subscribers don't think that you're supporting them. They won't come back. It's a lot of disconnect that will be involved in the situation when things like this happen. Glitches that remove stuff, that especially unsubscribing you and all that old stuff. It's not fun, it's not funny. I just want to share that with y'all. And I have been experiencing this quite a few times, and it's just getting on my nerves, and I don't want it to, but it's just when you think about all the work you do, you know, going around all these channels, and you could be doing something else. If this gonna happen, I got so much other stuff I could do, but I'm devoting and supporting my subscribers, doing all that stuff, and then for these YouTube glitches to make a habit of this happen on a regular basis. What the heck? Why they can't fix it? I think every time they bring some new program into the mix, some get broke down, and whoever they got in charge, I guess they allegedly don't know what they doing, because why stuff always go haywire once they add something new. They need to experiment on it before they put it on the channel, on the platform, because it's wrecking folks. Well, it's wrecking me, I can tell you that. I can't speak for everybody, but for me, doing all the work and then it gets removed, I'm not a happy camper. I just want y'all to know that. Comments removed, being unsubscribed after you subscribe, and folks, you know, people get upset, I believe, when they figure that, hey, you didn't subscribe, you didn't leave no comment, you ain't visiting. No, that's not the case. It's YouTube is making you be upset, not your supporter, because well, I can't speak for everybody, but I know I'm doing my job. I'm commenting, I'm giving thumbs up, I'm visiting, I'm running whole videos and stuff. Give me a break. YouTube need to cut it out with all these irritating, annoying, not fun, not funny glitches. Now, as y'all can see, I got some new friends in the garden. I want to move on from that because I want to stay positive. I want to stay happy. When you meet new people, you want to, you know, join a community, join their collabs and all that stuff. It can't work if glitches are interfering with you, you know, trying to participate. So I guess some of y'all understand what I'm saying, but if you have not experienced this, then that's beautiful. But if you have, then you know what I'm talking about. It's just irritating, but I got to move on because I do love positivity. I want to be on here having fun, but the YouTube glitches are making it hard to survive on here and to try and you know, have fun and enjoy yourself with all these dang glitches, you know. But yeah, look at my new frog, people. I should have got him in a gray, but he in a white, off-white kind of color. And then you see the brown ones. I can't wait. That's as close. They're at a little table having cocktails. I guess it's boyfriend, girlfriend. And back there, big old tomato plant. I believe it looked like tomato plant. Ain't no tomatoes on it. And my peppers over there, they look like they trying to do something. But y'all, look at this plant right here. That is, I'm growing freaking cilantro, I believe. That is a cilantro plant. I love it. I love it. What y'all think? That's cilantro? It look like cilantro. I hope so. Hope it's there. I got peppers, cilantro, possibly tomatoes back there, because that looked like a tomato plant. Peppers, tomatoes, cilantro, lemon tree, rosemary. I got, my flowers are coming out. See this one? It's white flowers on this viney looking bush. Can't really see it that good, but I just want to come through here and share that information with y'all and say hello and let y'all know that I've been supporting and I'm still making my ways around to a lot of your channels. But thank you for the support. Thank you for coming through. Visitors, looky-loos, if you have, subscribe. Did I put a glare on there? I want to say thank you to visitors, looky-loos, passing by, and any stumble across this channel by accident. If you subscribe, thank you so much for your support. Thank you to my returning supporter subscribers on a regular basis. Keep coming back. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope everybody had a great Mother's Day, getting ready for Father's Day, and barbecues and everything else. Thank you for sharing your gardens. Thank you for loving the gardening community. Let's give everybody a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. Check out the videos. Let them run. Just get full credit, y'all. All right, I got to go, you guys. Thank you so much for coming by. I want to show y'all. Oh, wait a minute. I want to show y'all my new succulent plant I got from Lowe's. Isn't it beautiful? I got to put it on a sunnier spot, I guess. I don't know. All right, y'all. It looked like we about to get some flowers on this plant here. See right there on the tip? Some kind of flower growing on here. And y'all, check it out. Some tomatoes. I'm about to fertilize these things. Look at the tomato flowers. I'm about to fertilize them with my finger. Because I have not seen a bee, hair nor hair of a bee around here, y'all. So I'm about to do what I need to do. Y'all, I'm up here talking about what they ate all the leaves off my dang flat plant. Look at this fool. He don't know. Wait a minute, move out the way. This fool don't know he about to have a lesser life, because he about to be cut in half. It ate all my leaves off. These dang moths, can't stand them. Gardening, this is what you go through when you got a garden. Thanks for your time and support.